Good morning, computer.
Are you ready for today's training session?
I guess so.
Powering up the mental illness simulator.
Schizophrenia.
No.
Narcissism.
I don't think so.
Obsessive compulsive disorder.
OCD? Like being organized? That doesn't sound too hard. Let's do it.
What time is it? 6:45? I'm late for class. I hate this simulation. It's always making me late.
Initiating phase 1. Compulsions.
That lamp is bothering me so much. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, remember my phone, close the door, turn off the lights, don't forget the bathroom light. Now I can go. I love that noise. Time to get dressed. Socks first. This one feels good, yeah. Left foot, then right foot. Left foot, then right foot. No, this feels wrong. It's too tight. These look softer. They could work. Left foot first, right foot second. Wait, what are these ridges? They feel scratchy on my skin. I don't have time for this. I have to go to class. I have to find something else. I'm wasting so much time. It's just socks. It's not that big a deal. Just pick a pair. These are short. Yeah, these could work. Left foot, then right foot. Left foot, then right foot.
Phase 2. Obsessions.
Time for coffee. 1 spoon. 2 spoons. Wait. No, that's not 2 spoons. 1, gotta measure it. 2. Yeah. No. I spilt it. I spilt it everywhere. It's dirty now. I have to clean it up. Throw it away. There. My hands are dirty. I have to wash it off. I have to wash off the coffee and clean my hands. Yeah. That's better. Okay, dry it off. Dry off my hands. Nice and clean. Okay. Measure the water exactly on the line. Don't spill it. Okay. Yeah, almost. Okay, almost done. Just a bit of milk. Is that too much? I can see it floating around. It's too much. Oh no. What am I doing? No. I have to start over again. Throw more milk in. Throw more milk in. Throw more milk in. Just do it. More milk. More milk. Do it. Do it. There's something wrong with the milk. There's something wrong with the milk. No. Has it expired? I think it expired, but it says it didn't. Get rid of it. Get rid of the milk. No, but I can't waste the milk. Milk costs a lot of money, but it's expired. Throw it away. Throw it all away. All away. Throw it all away. Yes, that feels right. That feels right. Oh, damn, that feels good. That feels so good. That scratches the itch. Yes, throw it away. Yeah, loud noise. Okay, now get rid of the coffee. Get rid of the coffee. Get it out. Get it out of the cup. Clean it. Clean it. It's dirty. You made a mess. It's dirty everywhere. Everything's dirty. It's so dirty. I can't go to class. There's too many dirty dishes. I need to wash my hands. Ew, some of the water spilled on me. Get it off. Get it off. Ew, how old's that water? Okay, start again. Wash it off. Wash it all off. Make sure it's clean. Don't miss a single surface. What's this thing? There's food everywhere. I've never cleaned this before. Why have I not cleaned this? Okay, now wash my hands. Make sure my hands are clean. Okay, another time, more soap on my hands. Make sure all those germs are gone. Get it nice and clean. Okay, and I can go to class now. Wait, my hands feel sticky. I should wash them again. Okay, dry them off. I can still make the end of class. Yeah, I can make it. Wait, why do my hands feel so weird? They feel stickier. Why do they feel so sticky? Maybe if I don't put soap on? Yeah, maybe it will go away.
Phase 3. Intrusive thoughts.
Hey, Doggo. What if I punched her? No, I'd never do that. But what if I did? What if I punched her really hard? No. I don't want to punch her. But what if I did? What if I punched her? What if I punched her? No. No, no, no. Why am I thinking this? Get away from the dog. Get away from her. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. The road's very close. 5. 1, 2. What if I jump in front of a car? 1, 2, 3. What if I jump in front of a car and die? 3, 4, 5. What happens when I die? 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, oh my gosh. It's a sign. I'm going to die. I'm going to die if I don't get off the pavement. Don't touch the yellow line. 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 Wait. Wait. Did I touch it? Damn it. I have to go back. Milk and coffee. Milk and coffee. Milk and coffee. Milk and coffee. I found the coffee. Okay. I have to pick one. Nobody else is in the aisle. I can take my time. Okay. It's not decaf. It's not this brand. No. Nescafe? Maybe. Put it back straight. Wait. Why did the noise stop? Right as I was grabbing Pete's coffee. Does that mean I need to take it? Is this the coffee? If I don't take it, I'm gonna die. No, I'm not gonna die. This has to be it. This has to be the coffee. I have to take it. Okay, safe. I need a big jug of milk. A big jug so I don't run out as quickly as last time. Grab the one in the back. It's gonna last longer. Make sure it's not going to expire. Make sure quickly. You're taking too long. Wait, did I touch the wrong coffee? I feel like I touched one of the coffee bags once and I didn't tap it a second time. I think I left one of them unturned. Yeah, I did. There. Ah, much better. Okay. I need to go home. I need to go to class. I'm taking too long. Somebody's gonna notice you. You look crazy. Tia. You look crazy. Stop it. Stop being weird. Stop it. It's fine. Nobody's gonna notice. They're not gonna notice. Damn it. No. Wait. Did I leave the oven on? No, I didn't turn it on. I just made coffee. But I could have walked past it and accidentally turned the oven on. I could have turned it on. If it's on, the house is gonna burn down. My dogs are gonna die. I didn't turn it on. I didn't turn on the oven. But what if I did? What if I did turn it on? Are they gonna notice you? He's gonna see you. He's gonna think you're crazy, pretend you're busy, you're inspecting coffee. You're fine, you're normal. I have to go home. I can buy milk later. I left the oven on. My house is gonna burn down. It's gonna burn down. We're all gonna die. She's fine. I'm so glad she's okay.
Simulation completed. You passed.
That was way more difficult than I thought it would be. Obsessive compulsive disorder. I better study for tomorrow's simulation. Can't have that happen again.